Whoa, whoa, yeah. Look at me dead in my eyes. I know that you know that a nigga ain't lying. Too much respect. All of my shorty BDs, they know not to try. Too much respect. I used to hand out CDs before they would buy. Whoa, she love me so much.
Welcome back to my channel. So today, oh God, that changed. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I know I haven't posted in a minute. It's because I don't know why, but I'm just gonna be showing y'all like my everyday makeup routine, like a soft glam, like what I do on a daily. And before this video, I had lost my tripod. I don't know where my tripod is, so that's why it's like this, because I'm using this broke down tripod and I'm really mad, but it's okay because hopefully it will show up. So the only thing I did was just put on moisturizer on my face, like this CeraVe. Okay, so I'm back. So the first thing I start with is the e.l.f. primer. I'm sure y'all done seen this. And y'all, I don't know how to do makeup. My skin is like breaking out. It's bad. Y'all, we going out to the city. So now that my face is all primed, I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. And I'm gonna open up my new eyebrow pencil that I got because I messed up the old one because I was applying the brow gel wrong, like until I saw somebody else do it. I was dipping this into the gel and doing it like that. And I was wondering why I didn't get the full effect. Talia, I'm gonna just call you back because you're okay. Y'all, I do want some music in the back, but I don't want to get copyrighted. You know, I'll connect to my TV, easy peasy. I'm gonna make this into like a step-by-step so it could be long. I just take the e.l.f. brow gel. It's just the clear one. Hold on, like you can't even see it. And y'all, I don't do my eyebrows. And y'all, this new e.l.f. collection, these are cute. I got a couple brushes, so I'm just put it like that, and I'll just put it on my eyebrow. See, that's way better. I don't know what I was doing. See, like y'all, I don't do makeup. I do, but I don't. Like, I just started back doing my makeup, so I just laminate them. And y'all, I don't get my eyebrows arched either. I should, just like the end, but I had let them do it one time and they messed me up, so I don't do it. Okay, so I shaped them the best way I could. I don't know what this eyebrow is doing. And y'all, don't judge me because, like I said, I don't do my eyebrows. And you see how it's like bushy at the end? I need to get that arched, but I don't know. And if you see me looking over here, I have two mirrors, so. And y'all, I do not draw my eyebrows or nothing. I just like simply fill them in. Okay, so these are the eyebrows. I gotta like clean up the end, but like, you know, I don't really do nothing. So I'm gonna take this. I need to get some more because this is old and this is my mom's. I'm gonna take this because it's light and I'm just put it on the bottom, not the top. I learned not to do the top. Some people do the top. Okay, these are the eyebrows. I messed up right here, y'all can see. So then everything is Fenty. If it ain't Fenty, it ain't with me, okay? So I go in with my concealer in shade 33. I got 33L, okay? I don't know what color name this is. And I don't put it right under my eyes, but I put it like right here. I put some right here. I put a little on my nose, like down the bridge. And put some right here. And y'all, I want to learn, and right here, because, you know, the mustache hairs. I want to learn how to contour. I don't know how to contour. And let me get my beauty blender. It's in this pink one, but I have these. I'm gonna try these. I just got these. And y'all know I do spray before I start blending. You know, somebody taught me that. If I'm wrong, just tell me, okay? So I just blend that. This is how I blend, and I just take it up and under my eyes. blended that out. I know I might look like a ghost. And that's where my foundation, Fenty foundation, Fenty brush. Sorry, no, let me stop. This where this come in. So I do this on the outskirts of my face, and I take it and I blend it down. Y'all see, y'all. So I had got the foundation brush too. I don't like it. It's like thick. I don't like it. So I use this elf brush for my foundation, and it works good. And I know I'm not the only one. I be like doing it up here, and I tap it like that because I don't use a lot of foundation. But then, well, I'm about to do the foundation. I go in with this NARS. The lady who was matching me, hold on. Whatever. The lady that was matching me is medium 3. I go under my eyes because this is a lighter color. And I'm just let that sit there. And I need a thumbnail. I need something else. So let me, hold on. Okay, anyways. So I just pump a little, dab it all over the top. Y'all might say it's ghetto, but this actually helps. And I just go on the outskirts on my face. This eyebrow looks good. Y'all can't cap. It looks good. This one needs a little work. But this one, I don't know what I did there. But y'all see that? Baby, it looks good. I need to rewatch this video so I can do this one like it. But okay, let me talk to y'all because I'm not talking to y'all. But basically, me and my friend are just going out to Raleigh because like it has more stuff. And we're just going like shopping. Seeing what they have out there, like Plato's Closet, Plato's, whatever we're gonna call it. And y'all, if y'all see like patchy stuff, it's not the makeup, it's my skin. Like, this is my skin. Take a look. I don't like how it looks on camera. Like, I really don't like how it looks on camera. Like, see this under here? Up close? That's my skin. I don't know what's happening, but that's my skin, y'all. It's really dry, so it's making the makeup cakey. And it burns like under my eye. It's like so raw. So today I don't need nobody in my face because I don't got time for them to be talking about my makeup when it's my skin. Because people always, they love to talk. They just love to yap. Let me turn this music down. I do not want to get, I got two bronzer thingies. I have eyelinting right here. I have this, and I just dug my nail into it. And then I have the stick, but I don't like the stick because it's so dry. And me not knowing what I'm doing, I don't want to mess it up. So I'm not going to use that. I am going to bronze. Hold on. Let me set my face. So I had bought 2 setting powders. I had got banana and then I got cashew. I'm so glad I got cashew because y'all, banana made me look like a little banana. I'm light, but I'm not that light. I'm just take one of my powder puffs. Gotta blow it. Okay, so I'm doing that. I'm gonna bronze. I don't know how to bronze. Oh, and I do have a fat face. I don't have no cheekbones for real. So I'm just putting that right here. Like that. And I'm just putting this right here like that because I don't have no cheekbones. Y'all, and I am gonna do my edges, okay? My friend asked me when I'm gonna do my edges. I was like, okay, boom. It's on my forehead. It looked fine. And that do actually look better. But I need to blend it. Hold on. And okay. That did kind of make it look better, I guess. I don't know. I see kind of a difference. I don't want to be looking too dark either. I'm gonna go in with our Fenty highlighter. I really like Hustler Baby, but this is Free Crystal and Lightning Dust. I use Free Crystal because I like it. Hold on. I need to blend in this powder first. I'm tripping. My mom's calling me. She's like, why you haven't left? Hello? Okay. My camera got too hot, so I had to change the settings of recording. I feel like too, this camera is too expensive to be doing that, and I've barely been recording. So I took it off of the thing. So y'all didn't miss nothing. I just put on my highlighter. I don't know if y'all can see. So now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of blush, because I don't do this on my regular one, but just a little bit of blush. Hold on. Yeah, just a little, because my face already be red. and I put it down there. I don't know why I put it down there. Now, see, I don't know why I just did that. I don't know why I just did that. Okay, but anyways, boom, that's there with the blush. I almost forgot the most important part was freaking eyeshadow. I use this nude one. I've been seeing people use that and I actually like it. I think I might, I don't know, it's just kind of off. I think I need to go in with something, well, darker or light. And I can't wait to get my lashes done because I'm dreading to put on these strips, but I've been wearing strips. I was actually scared to get my lashes done because the last time I had them done, I had mucus and stuff and it just wasn't working. Oh yeah, I found the pencil, by the way. Let me spray my setting spray. So I have this matte magic setting thing. I haven't used that yet, but I need this one. This is Stay All Night Microfine Setting Mist. So now gonna take our chat glue, cause y'all, I hate lash glue. Cause like sometimes when I apply my lashes, they're not perfect. So this, I could easily just wipe this off and like, y'all know, just it'll ball up into a ball. But lash glue, nah. And then that stuff be sticky over the days and all that time. And y'all don't worry about my nails. I'm getting a feeling because I know y'all gonna be talking about my nails like, y'all listen, when I got these nails, they were not good. I started going back the next day. Okay, let me hush while I put on this lash. I know if y'all standing on top of me, y'all might could see the glue, but I don't care because guess what? I can't see it. That's the first lash. I should have brought them over this way a little, but it's fine. It's cute. Oh my God, do y'all hear my stomach? I think I put the wrong lashes on the wrong eye. I sure did. Whatever. I don't care. Y'all, I got this lip plumper. Should I use this? No, my lips already big. Okay, so what I do for my lips, y'all don't look at my eyes. This one just look at people like this all day. So I go in with my brown lip liner, like so. My lips chapped. This is the lip liner, y'all. My lips is chapped and dry and ashy. Y'all, my lashes uneven. This one more lower. Hold on, I can fix that. I don't like that.
Like what?
When your lashes like kind of one lower than the other.
Yeah.
Okay, I can't see it up here, but I can see it on my phone. And then I go in with my Coco K, but I'm gonna go in with my Fenty. This is fussy, like Fussy. And I'm just go right here. Okay, so that's the end of my makeup video. Hold on, let me show y'all the finishing touch when I take out my hair and everything. I'm gonna show y'all me taking out my hair, y'all. I got makeup all over my shirt, okay? And I had messed these up, but let me just see. Cause my mama pin curled these and she had an attitude when she did them because she didn't feel like it. So let me see if she put some effort. Ooh, I need her to take these down. Okay, y'all, this is the finishing look. My curls already dropping, but it's okay. Because my mama was like, why you want to pin curl them? So they could be tight and not drop. But y'all, this is the finishing look with my makeup. Okay, let me just show y'all. Don't mind that glue, but it's okay. Wait, let me go into some natural light. Y'all, and I want to take some pictures, so I might change my outfit. But this is it.
Bro, this is the first time in like forever.
Like, this is it. It looks good.
Oh, okay.
But I hope y'all like this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, comment down other video suggestions, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.
You brought me the money sealed up. I still had to count it. I cannot just hide. Whoa, whoa, whoa.